Are you tired of dealing with poor quality HDMI cables that constantly need to be replaced? Look no further as we have compiled a list of the 4 best HDMI cables for TV in 2024.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Anker 8K HDMI cable. The Anker 8K HDMI cable is a leader in the field of high-performance HDMI cables. Its capabilities are genuinely unparalleled since it supports both 4K at 120 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz resolution. With these requirements, every image will come to life in the most compelling way, providing an unmatched viewing pleasure. Using the most recent HDMI technology, the Anker 8K HDMI cable promises to work with a variety of devices. One notable aspect of the design is how well it minimizes signal loss and optimizes audio-visual quality. It also comes with resilience and strength. Its sturdy design guarantees that it will endure over time and give you countless hours of excellent viewing enjoyment. Therefore, the Anker 8K HDMI cable can be your perfect friend if you're the type who looks for perfection in every shot. On number 2, we have Snowkids HDMI cable. The Snowkids HDMI cable may be the best option if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that still offers excellent performance. The Snowkids 8K HDMI 2.1 cable can handle 4K at 120 Hz, 4K at 100 Hz, and 8K at 60 Hz, among other formats. 8K HDMI can deliver an ultra-high-definition movie experience and 3D visual effects with more perfect depth, brightness, detail, contrast, and larger color gamut thanks to its unique dynamic HDR and 12-bit color processing technology and 48 GHz bandwidth. It can produce a 4K at 120 Hz video that is incredibly smooth for gaming. The most recent game mode enhances the efficiency of the graphics card and CPU, enables various refresh rates, and handles produced images with more accuracy. You may get better, delay-free gaming and real-time interactive virtual reality by reducing lag, motion blur, and frame tearing using variable refresh rate and quick media switching. This makes it an excellent option for individuals searching for a low-cost solution that nevertheless produces excellent audio-visual output. It doesn't necessarily mean that quality is sacrificed in order to achieve affordability. On number 3, we have Tisofu HDMI cable. Immerse yourself in a world of stunning pictures with the Tisofu HDMI cable, which blends state-of-the-art design with exceptional longevity. With compatibility for 8K resolution at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, the cable raises the standard. What was the outcome? A cinematic viewing experience like no other. That's not all, though. Because Tisofu supports EARC, your audio experience will also be enhanced to new heights. Your TV watching sessions will have more depth thanks to this feature, which lets your home theater system provide the most realistic and immersive sounds possible. In terms of durability, the Tisofu HDMI cable likewise gets great marks. The cable is made resistant to regular use wear and tear thanks to its sturdy nylon-braided design. Put another way, it is made to last and will provide you with years of dependable service for all your entertainment needs. Thus, the Tisofu HDMI cable ought to be at the top of your list if you're searching for a high-performance HDMI cable that not only produces appealing images and sounds but also endures over time. Prepare to take your audio-visual experience to new levels. We guarantee that this upgrade will be greatly appreciated by your home entertainment system, game console, and TV. On number 4, we have JSAUX HDMI cable. Next to steal the show is the JSAUX HDMI cable, which stands alone in terms of performance and endurance. With a zinc alloy shell and a tough nylon-braided cord, this cable is built to survive everyday use and last for many years as a reliable part of your audio-visual experience. The JSAUX HDMI cable produces a very impressive visual experience, supporting both 8K and 4K images with ease, resulting in a remarkably realistic and highly detailed watching experience. Not only that, but it also has a high-speed transmission that ensures lag-free, smooth running. When paired with top-tier gaming consoles, this function really shines and provides a smooth, immersive gaming experience. Another plus is that it can be used everywhere, making it a one-stop shop for all of your connection needs. When you combine this with the security of a lifetime guarantee, you have a really impressive, sturdy, and reliable HDMI cable for your home or place of business. In the realm of high-performing HDMI cables, the JSAUX cable is definitely an impressive rival that is sure to please even the pickiest tech enthusiast. So these are some of the best HDMI cables for TV to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.